Hello my darlings and welcome. Thank you for joining me as I show you my DIY craft kit for the month and craft an adorable spring flower crown. Let's do some magical crafting. This kit includes everything you need to create this floral spring crown or headband. The only thing you need to provide is a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and a little bit of magic. I'll link to the kit below in case you want to get one for yourself. But of course, you can make this project using craft supplies you have at home as well. Here are the supplies I'll be using. The DIY craft kit includes step-by-step instructions, one metal double headband, various pieces of green moss, pink flowers, blue flowers, white snowdrop flowers, green leaves, and wire garland. What you need to provide to complete the project is a glue gun and approximately 3 glue sticks, a pair of scissors, and I also suggest a hairdryer or a heat gun to fluff the faux florals back into shape if they were flattened during shipping. You can create your floral crown using the instructions in this video, or feel free to veer away from these directions and create your own design. Once you've removed all of the items from the bag, you might want to use a hairdryer or heat gun on the flowers, or shake the flowers out if they become flattened in shipping. Warming them up and shaking them can bring them back to life. Next, unfold both pieces of wire garland. Begin wrapping one piece around the top band of the headband, starting with the left-hand side of the headband and moving towards the middle. Create 2 evenly spaced crown spires as you wind. Then repeat the process with the second piece, winding from the right-hand side. When you're done, you should have 4 crown spires on your headband that are approximately 3 or 4 inches tall. Separate out 2/3 of the moss provided in the bag to glue inside of the headband in between the 2 metal bands, and reserve 1/3 of the moss for use later. Cut the blue flower stems shorter and cut the pink flower bundles apart. Cut each of the 3 leaves apart, and then arrange the flowers and leaves around the headband in the order that you think you might want to glue them on. The next step is to glue on the blue flowers and the green leaves. Take 2 blue flowers and 1 green leaf and glue the bundle to the front center of the crown. Glue these flowers on behind the moss. Then repeat the process on each side of the crown so that you end up with 3 evenly spaced bundles. The next step is to add the snowdrops. In between the spaces left by the blue flowers, glue the white snowdrop flowers, and make sure to glue these flowers behind the moss with the bells facing outward. Next, we'll move on to the pink flowers. Glue the pink flowers all around the front of the crown. You can use all of the pink flowers and fill the headband, or use fewer and leave some of the moss showing, depending on your preference. The final step is to use the moss that you reserved to glue onto the back of the headband to cover all of the glue and flower stems and make the crown more cushioned to wear. Snip away any extra stems before adding this moss. This flower headband is perfect to wear on Beltane, or on Ostara or Easter, or even to a Ren Faire. There's a link to the craft kit in the description below. Happy crafting!